So if you look inside my get home bag for my travel kind of events, if I'm going to Vegas for the day or whatever, I'll toss it in the car. I always have a little power bank and a solar panel. Makes it easy to charge up your phone, whatever you need, your devices, maybe a handheld radio, whatever, in an emergency. However, that's a whole lot of stuff to carry. Take a look at it. That's a whole lot of stuff. Big, huge panel and a big, huge thing. What if there is a way to combine these two things and make it a whole lot easier? Well, now there is. Check this out. Today we're taking a look at the Lovenet 10-watt portable power station and solar charger. Let's check it out. All right, welcome back, folks. Hope you're having an awesome day. Today we are looking at this little Lovenet, L-U-V-K-N-I-T, 10-watt portable solar charger and a power bank all in one. Saves you a whole lot of carrying and lugging, and it's a whole lot of weight too. I would think this would be perfect for emergencies, where maybe you're staying somewhere and you got to charge up and the power's out, or you got to power something else up and the power's out. But it also would be good for everyday use as well. It is so ridiculously light. It's 1.89 pounds, almost 2 pounds. And that is a real, honest to goodness, 10,000 milliwatt hour power bank. So definitely good deal. Your inputs and outputs, you have two USBs, a USB 1 and 2. Let me get it open for you there. You do have a little USB-C, which can be used as an out or in. So if you definitely wanted to charge this with a secondary panel, you could. Of course, you have a light on this, and you can turn it on simply by just hitting that button. Now you can see it's not fully charged yet. I haven't really charged this up yet. But the cool part about this is it has a stand. It's got stands on the legs. It's like a big solar panel. It's like one of those big portable solar panels that you'll see from that. The nicest thing about it is the fact that it's got a thin battery. I mean, that's a big hunk of battery right there. And yeah, it's 25,000 milliamp hours, and that's only 10,000. But what do I really need it for? I'm not going to be charging up, my car battery. I'm going to be charging up maybe a handheld radio, maybe a shortwave radio, maybe my phone for emergency use, whatever. I'm not going to be charging up a ton of stuff in that kind of a situation. It's really just a get-home bag. So let's take a look at the panels. The panels are actually very nice panels. Okay. Nice and bright too, so you won't lose it. They are monocrystalline solar panels with ETFE laminate. They convert about 24% of sunlight into energy, which is pretty darn good. I know people hear that sometimes when I'm doing solar panel reviews, and they're like, oh, that's terrible. It should be like 80 or 90. Anything over 20%, 25%, pretty darn good. This does 24. So I really can't complain about that. With good sunlight, it will fully recharge in just 5 hours. You do have a QC30 10-watt output, so you can charge up your devices quickly for those of you that do it really, really quick. This is compatible with all major Type C and Type A USB devices, all sorts of your tablets, anything like that. You can keep working and playing wherever you go, okay? It is IPX4 rated. Product dimensions about 12 by 9 inches across. And definitely cool. One of the best parts of this thing is this. You've got little feet. Now you notice, let's see, you notice the blue lights are on in this thing because the studio lights here. There we go. All right. So I can set that, say, in my window of my hotel room. You see, I'm only doing this because I want you to see the blue lights. But I can set that down into the sun in a hotel room, in a bug-out situation somewhere. Again, if you're trying to hide, the orange isn't going to be the best. But you get the idea. It'll actually be able to charge up that thing really, really well. And we are getting a little green on that light too. So what I want to do is take it outside and see how quickly this will top off one of my other cell phones and see how it sets up out there. So we're going to take it on the side of the building here, and we're going to try it out and see how well it works. So apologies for my heat pump working over there. But here it is set outside. You can see it charging up. See the little lights flashing there. Okay. And as you can see, it doesn't really take up much of a footprint. That's my hand. You can see it's not huge, so it's not something that's obnoxious and will get in your way. And the weight factor on it alone when carrying an emergency kit with you is just worth it. Really, really small and easy to use. So let me plug in my phone here. I got my phone over on the other side here, and let's see how it does. Hey, I wanted to show you really quick. I know I put this phone in when it was 99%, but within like a matter of seconds, it was charged up to 100. And I have it in the quick charge right there. So you see how easy that is to work. So let's finish up the
So
video.
all in all, I think this is something that's going to be really handy if you guys are interested in a little less weight in your go bags or your go gear. Way lighter than carrying a big panel and a big power bank. And the cool part about it is they're not all that expensive. $41 really, about $40.79 I believe. There is also an Amazon coupon on the site, okay? Not a coupon from me, it's from Amazon. That's usually right under the price, and you just tick that little box, and it will save you 5% on that. So definitely something really cool. When you're done with it, you just basically fold up the legs, fold it over, and there you go, you're done. That's it. Push everything down in there. There was no waterproof rating given on this, so I'm not sure if it's waterproof or not. But definitely cool little deal. I'm going to try here. There's the light. I want to turn it on for you. So you even have a little light with you. And it flashes, does the emergency flashing. It does come with a carabiner, so you can hook it up top here and hang it off something while you're walking. And I think for ease of use and just for good old common sense and ability to keep something small and handy in your pack, this is definitely a winner. You do have a little pocket here, although there's not much you could probably fit in there. Let's see. Very, very small little pocket. You could probably fit a USB, oh, I'm sorry, I'm not in the camera, a little USB cable in there, and that's about it. But all in all, very cool. So that is the Lovenet 10-watt portable solar charger and power bank. Power bank's on the back. And I think that is something that's, as things progress, I love showing you new gear. And I think this is something that, you know, as these power banks are progressing, they're becoming a little more intelligent, so to speak. Instead of lugging around two things, you've got one thing that's slim and it'll fit right in your bag. So definitely very cool. Anyway, folks, I thank you for watching. The link for this will be down below. It's also in my Amazon store. If you're interested in checking out my Amazon store, the link is down below. You don't really need to do anything there. If there's nothing in the store you like, just click that link, shop as you normally would. You can even bookmark that link and shop. Really helps out the channel. It doesn't cost you anything. Below that is our freeze-dried wholesalers link. Don't forget to check that out today. Freeze-dried wholesalers, a link saves you 15%. You don't have food stocked up. With what we're seeing going on in the world right now and the uncertainty and the possibility of shortages and world war, get yourself some peace of mind. Get yourself some food. Freeze-dried wholesalers is a company I trust. I use them. Definitely awesome stuff. And my link saves you 15%. Below that is our My Patriot Supply link. They have a deal there, 4-week kit, $60 off. Under $200, you get yourself an amazing deal. That's preparewithiridium.com. And under that is our Thrive Life freeze-dried food store. I thank you guys for hanging out with me and watching this video today. Stay safe and stay prepared.